Welcome! In this video, you'll learn exactly how to prevent sign messages from appearing for your admin's channel on Telegram Web right on your PC. This method works with the new update, and it's quick, simple, and effective. First, open Telegram Web on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the channel where you want to stop message signatures. Click on that channel to open it fully. At the top left corner of the Telegram web page, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select the channel settings option labeled Edit. This will bring you to a page where you can adjust all kinds of settings for your channel. Next, click on Administrators. This is the section where you manage the people who help run your channel, including yourself. Once that's open, you'll see different settings that affect how messages are displayed when admins post. Find the option that says Sign Messages. By default, this feature shows the name of an admin next to every message they send in the channel. To keep messages unsigned, simply uncheck this box. After unchecking it, look for the small tick or checkmark icon usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to save your changes. Telegram will automatically update your settings, and from now on, new messages posted by admins in your channel will no longer display their names underneath.